Good morning, people of the Philippines.
Where'd you go?
We are here in our farm. The kids are playing now. What? What's there? There's a goat. Welcome to Zonya's farm. Wow! Hello mga tao! This is our farm. What? That's our farm. Hello, Saike! What? Give me guava.
Why you just climb there?
Yes, can I climb there?
I just climb too.
Yeah. At this star will climb too. What at the star?
What's that sound? What's that sound?
It's the sound of a bird. It's the sound of a cow. We will go to the cow. Wait, baby Ken. We will go here because there's a cow. Wait. Come. Yeah. Come. Come on. Nice here. Oh, wait. Wait. What's the sound of the cow, baby Ken? Wow. I am here. It's nice here.
It's nice up here.
Yeah, it's really nice. Wow, I like this place very much. Wait, baby Ken. I like this place very much. It's very warm.
Okay.
I will take a video for you. I hope you will really enjoy my vlog today. Bye! This is our farm.
Farm.
That's our farm.
Farm.
I'm making
Ay, i-vlog na ma. Napuno na pa. Sige, kabidyo.
Hindi ko ba yung gabi?
Ay, makuha.
This is only one portion of our farm, and our farm is almost 7 hectares. This is only one portion.
A pirate. Arr.
We are really enjoying.
I'm a pirate. Arr. I'm a pirate.
There's a durian here. We love durian. That's the durian. That's a durian. That's a durian. Catch the goat.
Few moments later.
Hello, 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 hello. I'm in the river. That's the bridge. This is our farm also. So hot and it's nice to swim in the river. I don't know. Yeah, very hard. I will cross the river. What? It's so cold. Lamig. It's cold. Masyadong malamig. Wow, I really in love again. I really in love with the nature. Very clean water. Grabe, lamig. Lamig kaayo, oy. This is our life here if we have no work. We just go to the mountain, we'll just go to the farm and have fun. That's all. Life is very simple. You need to be happy every day and live life to the fullest. I am going now to another river. Tour, a little tour. And in my path, that place we will go swimming. Of course, we have other food. Look at them. I will cross again the river. Ah! So cold. It's really cold. Can you imagine? It's really cold. Oh! Lamig. This is my farm. In my back is my farm. I am here. Yes. We will cook native chicken. Nice. Green. I love it. Oh, it's very clean. We will swim in this river. Maybe later. Still cold. It's cold here. There's a big rock, clean water.